This is Gem 12510. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. First of all, finding out what box we're opening. 1, 2, 5 times as always. 3, 4, and 5. Top is the 41. Oh, that is as far away from me as possible. 5 times. That is literally the way I've lined them up next to me. That is as far away as you can possibly get. 41 is done. That's the list without 41 put in. I'm going to go get it. Like, I know that statistically, it is like 1, I don't know how to show this, but if you see where my hand is now, 1 is right here, 41 is exactly opposite. So it's the one I have to walk all the way around, and it was at the very bottom of that pile, obviously, because it's 41. That is an absolute shit show. Gem has already pissed me off. Alrighty. There's box 41. It was the best repack product in the world. I would have had to walk the furthest possible to grab it. 5 times, here we go. We've got box 41. This is the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Heat all the way down to the Hornets. That's 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots for this one. Oh, fuck, I forgot. Spots 20 and 21 aren't owned by anybody, so if any cards come out for the Celtics or Rockets, I'm randomizing between everybody. Fuck, I forgot that was this one. 510. Yep, of course. So if Celtics or Rockets are in this box, someone else is going to get them. All right, here we go. Up first. For the Spurs, rookie retro signatures from Illusions, David Robinson. Spurs, spot 29, Anthony Weeks. I can't believe I did that. Oh, that's so annoying. Next. For the Bucks, nice Game Gear, 9/25, Giannis. The Bucks are in spot 10 to Ash Howard. The Pistons picking up a beautiful green cracked ice penmanship to 16. Weird number. Dennis Rodman for the Pistons. Pistons are in spot 26. Going the way of Jared Razay. All right. Up next, this is very nice for the Warriors, Kevin Durant. Wow. $53/79. And that goes the way of Kai Giakai. Okay. Apologies. Spot 6. A Josh Giddey, National Treasures rookie jersey auto for the Thunder. Spot 8, Yu Shuo Lin. On a good one today is old Yu Shuo. And finally, the final card is rookie autographs, mint 9, Ja Morant from Mosaic. Who's picked up the Grizzlies? Spot 4, Ryan Ingram. Congratulations, Ryan. We are off to a flyer. Uh-oh, just drew on the box. Hello, Dale.
Yeah. Oh, you're up to Jeff.
Yeah. The first box I ran him was the one I had to walk the furthest away for.